What if I told you that I could show you how to build a server that has 4 hours of backup battery, can back up your storage without you even needing to do anything, is safe, draws virtually no power, and is free? Well, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? That's what we're doing today. So let's put things into context. You've just received a MacBook for Christmas, or you got money to buy a MacBook, but a hard drive upgrade for a MacBook is $250 without tax. So you decided, you know what, I'm gonna skip that. I'm gonna get the bare bones, but at least I'll have my MacBook. Well, a month later, and your MacBook's now filled with all your dirty pictures, and you're all out of space. Don't worry, I got you. And I'll tell you a little secret too. It turns out your old Mac wasn't as obsolete as you think it was. I know, right? Crazy concept. Anyways, so today what I'm going to show you is how to take your old Mac and turn it into a home server that will back up all your stuff through Time Machine without you even needing to plug something into your computer. So what do you need to make this server? Simple. An external hard drive and a computer, an old computer, whatever it may be. So first things first, grab your old MacBook, turn it on, and plug in your external hard drive. As you can see, I have mine already plugged in right here. Next, open up System Preferences and set your computer display to sleep when possible, but tell the computer itself not to fall asleep. While you're there, also enable Put Hard Drive to Sleep when possible to not spin up the hard drive for no reason, inevitably shortening its life. Next, go to the Network tab and give your computer a static IP address. Think of your IP address like your personal home address, and the router being the town hall that tells you what address you have on your door. So every time the pizza man, aka your new computer, asks you to connect your home address to deliver a package, it knows where to go. The problem is, every time your computer reconnects to your network, the router will give it a new address. Like if every time you came home from work, the town hall switched your front door numbers from 420 to 69 without even telling you. So whenever your computer wants to connect, you're basically now sending it to an address that doesn't exist anymore, or to a neighbor who will refuse your pizza. The simplest way to remedy this is to click Advanced Settings, go to TCP. You're going to see Configure IPv4, and you're going to have an IP address that it gives you. What you're going to want to do is write down the address that your router already gave your computer. This will make addressing everything a lot simpler. Next, click on Using DHCP, click Using DHCP with manual address instead, and rewrite that IPv4 address that you already took down. Click OK once that's done. So we're almost done here. Now that your computer's schedule and network preferences are set up properly, go in the sharing settings and click on Enable File Sharing. Now that you've done that, what you're going to want to do is take your hard drive and add it to your shared folders. I'll give you an example of this. What I'm going to do is create a new folder, call it Dummy, and click the plus sign here. You're going to go in, for you, it'll be in your devices right here, and click Dummy and click Add. That will add your folder to it. For you, you're not going to use the dummy folder, you're actually going to use your hard drive that you're going to plug in. Once you have your folder added, you're going to right-click, click Advanced Options, and then you're going to do Share as Time Machine Backup Destination. You can share over SMB and AFP. SMB is for Windows computers and AFP is for Macs. Next, set a limit for backups if you think that you're going to use your hard drive for other things, but I won't, so I'm leaving it to as long as I can. Okay, so your computer is almost all set up. Now all you need to do is allow external users to log on. In the users and group sections of your system preferences, add the exact name and password of your new computer. As you can see right here, I have my new computer. And these also don't even need to be administrator accounts. They just need to be accounts so you have a way to manage everybody. Great. Now only certain people can have access to your NAS, and all other requests will get denied, and you have successfully made a home server. Now, to ensure everything you did works, you can attempt to access it from your new computer. So let's do that right now. On your new computer, you're going to make sure you're on Finder. You're going to click Go, Connect to Server. Alternatively, what you can do is click Command K, and that'll bring this up also. And then you're going to make sure to write the server address that you took down earlier. That's the same thing you used for your DHCP settings. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to click connect. When you try to connect to it, it's probably going to give you something like this. It's going to ask for your username and password, the name of your computer, and the password of your computer. Once you click connect, it'll load up. And it's going to ask you what volume you want to mount. So it's going to be your backup server. Click OK. And there you go. Enjoy a clutter-free computer and enjoy your Time Machine backups always being done on time without needing to plug anything into your computer. Anyways, so I'll see you next time. Peace.